Angie was saying, the Mounts Slide High here of Dollywood.
Yes.
These enclosed tube slides, where you actually go down on a tube here.
And just like Kentucky Kingdom, there's hardly any wait.
Yeah, you can tell there's all the longest lines are the family raft rides, which we're good with that, unless it's a water coaster. But here is a long line for the family slide over here, and then pretty much walk up to the top of these tube slides. And they literally follow the mountainside all the way down. It's just amazing how these slides use the terrain so well over here. Yeah, the two tan slides, you actually go both inside and outside, enclosed and outside. And the green one and the pink one, I think, are completely enclosed from top to bottom. Yeah, so it is. Wild River Falls. Pretty much no lines anywhere up here. Woo!